Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a math person like me, do subscribe to the channel, and at the end of the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, on this video we're going to be looking at this math Olympiad problem. So we're going to be solving this problem. So let's first start by writing the question as we always do. That means over 100 to the power 50. So now we have to simplify this ones first. So we'll start by simplifying. So how can we simplify this one? Let's simplify that 50. Let's just say, then we'll just start this one here. 50 to the power 100, we can just write it by 50 to the power 50 plus 50. We haven't changed anything, it's still 100, as long as you're writing things while you're not changing anything. So now 100, we're going to write it as 50 times 2, which is still 100. This is how we're going to write this one. Here we've just simplified, guys, and nothing special. We're just simplifying. So here in the next step, we're going to introduce this law that states that if a to the power m plus n, that means is equals to, is the same as a, or let me just write it here. Sorry about that, I'll just write it here. That rule says a to the power m plus a to the power n is equals to a m multiplied by a n. This is what simply means here. So we're taking this step, we're bringing it here. We're going to bring it here. So now what are we going to do? I was just simply going to say 50 to the power 50 times 50 to the power 50. This is what we've done here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to say over. What are we going to say over with? Well, here, even here, we're going to introduce a second step again, that says a multiplied by b over to the power m, sorry about that, is equals to a times b to the power m to the power m. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to introduce this one here. This one is written like this one, but now we want to do it same as this one. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to say 50 to the power 50 multiplied by 2 to the power 50. This is how we're going to write it. As we can see, this one is going to cancel this one. Now we're left with what? We're left with 50 to the power 50 over 2 to the power 50. This is how we have this one. So now another rule states that here, this rule will apply here. Another rule states that a to the power n over b to the power n is equals to a over b all to the power n. This is how we're going to write this one. I'll just transfer it here. So this is how we're going to write this one. Our a will be 50, our b will be 2 all to the power 50. So that means we're going to say 50 over 2 all to the power n. Our n will be 50. This is how we're going to write it. So now I'll wrap this side. We have to know this laws, guys. These are the laws that we have to know. Those are the basics that you have to know when you want to solve this type of problems. So now we have what? A simple one. Now we're just going to simplify that one. Let's just simplify. What are we going to have when we're simplifying? We're going to have Sorry about that. I want to take that pen. What are we going to have now when we're simplifying? We're going to just have 25. This is what we're going to have. 25 to the power 50. This is how we're going to have it, because we've simplified this. We've said 50 over 2, which is 25 over 50. How can we write 25 again? We simplified, we just say 5 to the power 2 over 50. And we know there's a rule that says we can, when you multiply the exponent, the rule that says a to the power m, all in bracket, and to the power exponent n, it says we can multiply these two. This exponent will multiply, then we'll have something like a m n. This is what we're going to have. So we're going to multiply these two. So we're going to have 5 to the power of 100. This is what we're going to have. So this is our simplified answer. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.